Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now this is a section from Cane River to Bull Bay. Now this section of the highway falls between the Harborview and Yellow section, which is going to be 4 lanes. So you can see the Jersey barrier put in, and they're hoping to get everything finished by December of this year. They had hoped to get 2 lanes opened by the end of August, then it changed to September 4. So by now they should have 2 lanes finished, but clearly you can see that that hasn't happened. You have 2 lanes you can drive on, but they are far from finished. In this section at least. I know from Mesga Gardens to Albion, all 4 of those lanes are finished. But it's a work in progress. And I must say, you don't see... I know China Harbour Engineering Company is a contractor, and they are also trying to get the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000 open. Now that road was to open at the end of August, and it has changed to September 14. So maybe they have put the bulk of the resources onto that project, and they'll come back to this one after September 14. But usually you see a lot more work going on this road. Or I should say on this section of the road. As we said earlier, you can drive on 2 lanes, but they are far from being complete or finished. This section of the road is not even paved. And you notice there no work is going on out here. But it will be completed one day, hopefully before December. And this really is a nice road. This road is actually a game changer for this side of the island. When we drive on the finished sections, you will see what the future holds for this side of the island. Remarkable. You really have to give credit to whoever was designed behind the building of this road. And China Harbour Engineering Company is the right company to build the road. They are the only ones that can manage a project of this size in Jamaica right now. As you can see, some sections are further along than some sections. Alright, so we're now coming up to Bull Bay, and we're going to see where the police station used to be. Now, for between Harborview and Bull Bay, the highway goes along the existing roadway. So on the right, where you see those light poles, structures were there that had to be removed. Over 600 structures along the roadway had to be removed because the road was going from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. And straight ahead now, I'll point it out when we pass it, is where the Bull Bay police station used to be. So where we are driving on now used to be structures, and you can see the new walls going up on the right. That's how far back they had to come for the road. So where you see that blue fence straight ahead on the right, that was a fence to go into the police station. The police station actually came out to where this truck is passing us now. So all the structures over there had to be removed. Now, when you read the NWA releases, you would think you had 2 finished lanes of highway to drive on. But this is far from it. I mean, really. So how, and then you hear about changes to the highway because school is opening, and they're nowhere near ready to say they have completed 2 lanes. Not this section at least. Now I can give you guys a joke. You see the state of the road. Not even 2 lanes finished. Yet the government had said all 4 lanes would be finished in August this year. Can you imagine? That I just find that so funny. Not even 2 lanes finished. Not even half the project is finished in August. Yet the government said 2 lanes will be open. 4 lanes. The entire project will be finished by August of this year. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.